St. Aloysius College, with a history of 130 years of forming men and women for others, has been a beacon of light to thousands of young boys and girls who have passed through the portals of this great institution to be leaders in our society in various capacities, in business and in civil society and administration. Aravind Adiga, the Man Booker Prize winner, Mr. George Fernandes, the former Defence Minister of our country, Justice Michael Saldana, former Chief Justice of Karnataka, Mr. Vinay Hegde, entrepreneur and educationist, Dr. Devaprasad Shetty, renowned heart surgeon, Dr. Brian Pereira, CEO Amag Pharma in Boston, and Mr. Victor Pei, CEO Sigma, New Jersey, just to name a few who have made a mark in life. St. Aloysius College began with just 50 students in 1881. It has now become an institution of repute with 13,000 students attending various sections of the institution. St. Aloysius has seen a phenomenal growth during the past 10 to 15 years. The slow growth started back in late 80s, gathered momentum during the course of years, and now St. Aloysius is one of the prominent institutions of higher learning, offering a variety of courses at the undergraduate and postgraduate level. In 1991, MCA, the first postgraduate degree program, was started. This was followed by MSc Biotechnology, MSc Bioinformatics, MBA, MSc Software Technologies, and other PG programs, with the number rising to 14 this year. St. Aloysius College has got A grade in NAAC accreditation, joining a group of prestigious colleges in our country. The motto of St. Aloysius College is Lucet et Adit. Lucet shines, meaning one should be the best intellectually. But we always say it is not enough. Adit, burn. That is, one should also burn with the desire to serve our less fortunate brethren. This is the motto, and the model is St. Aloysius, who inspires the young men and women to be somebody different in our society, reaching out to people who need their services. Starting off, the IT and management courses at St. Aloysius College gave St. Aloysius further impetus to improve the infrastructure to give the very best to our graduating students. Keeping this in mind, the new IT center with excellent computing facilities, well-equipped library dedicated to Devang Mehta, the IT visionary of India, well-equipped and spacious classrooms was inaugurated by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the President of India, on 28th of March 2003. Aloysius Institute of Business Administration, which began in 2004 with the intake of 60, has now been admitting 120 students per year. Within a short span, IBA has achieved the distinction of being one of the best 100 business schools in India and the 10th best in Karnataka. The campus placement has been good, and 90% of our students have been placed in good business firms and banks. IBA wants to train the very best leaders for the industry. Keeping this in mind, the curriculum has been updated and students get a lot of opportunities to excel in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Students have opportunities to organize national level management and IT fests, paper presentation programs and workshops. To give social orientation to our students, they are encouraged to organize blood donation camps. Rural exposure program is part of the curriculum, giving an opportunity to our students to live in remote villages of North Karnataka and experience the simple and frugal lives of our ordinary village folk. That also gives them an opportunity to study rural marketing and microfinancing. Considering the need of having residential facilities for our MBA and IT students, St. Aloysius College has embarked upon the ambitious project of having an independent campus for management and IT programs. The campus is coming up at a place 12 kilometers from the present location. This project is going to cost us 60 crores and will be completed in 2 phases. In the first phase, the admin block with a well-equipped hall and office space, the academic block with computer labs, library and reading rooms and classrooms, separate students' residences, cafeteria and faculty quarters will be completed by June 2009. The first phase will cost us about 27 crores. In the second phase, more faculty quarters, student residences to accommodate at least 600 students, a prayer hall, indoor basketball stadium, Center for Management Development Programs, indoor residential facilities for students, playground, gymnasium, swimming pool and other amenities will be provided. Our aim is to have an institute of world standards, offering excellent facilities to students and the faculty. This is our dream, to create a world-class institution of management and information technology here in Mangalore. We want you to be part of this dream.